Hi, I'm Maria Janet, your mentor for today. Factor 18LB plus 6LE plus 24OB plus 8OE. So first step, we need to group the given polynomial. So we will group 18LB plus 16LE and the other one is 24OB plus 8OE. Why we do group these two? Because 18LB plus 6LE has a common factor of 6L and the other one has a common factor of 8O. Next step is to divide this one to our common factor, which is 6LE. We will have 3B. And the other one, 6LE divided by our common factor is E. Same with this. So our common factor is 8O. 24OB divided by 8O is equals to 3B. And 8OE divided by 8O is equals to E. So our next step is to combine this one and copy this one. So our answer is 3B plus E times the quantity of 6L plus 8O.